It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 25th of March. I'm Michael Groff. Strong high pressure building in here across the southwest over the next couple of days, and that's going to yield temperatures, well, about as warm as we've seen them since last October, approaching the 90-degree mark by tomorrow. But for the latter half of the week, somewhat cooler temperatures come on in here. When might we have our next chance of rain? Let's talk about all of it. First, the almanac from yesterday, 81 degrees for the high in the valley, 53 the morning low. And that's just a little bit above where we should be. And outside right now, here at 6:50 a.m., the sun coming up over the valley. Beautiful sunrise in progress. We start out at 55 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 35, humidity 47%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning, 38's the cold spot at Goldfield, 44 in Buckeye. Most of us here across the metro, however, are in the upper 40s to mid 50s. The upper air look across the country. We've got a big vortex over eastern Canada pulling down some cooler air in the northern plains states, but here in the southwest, it's a ridge building in, and that's going to be the dominant weather feature for at least a couple of days. The watch warning map, some dense fog advisories over the plains, winter weather advisories in the Sierra. Otherwise, it's pretty quiet out there. Convective outlook for today, we do have a slight risk of severe storms for places like Birmingham, Montgomery, Alabama, over toward Atlanta, with a marginal risk for many of the adjacent Gulf Coast states. Here's the precipitation outlook valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts here in the valley and statewide, well, absolutely nothing, as a dry and very tranquil weather pattern looks to take shape. And we'll break down the details of that now as we take a look at the models and see what's up. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. There's our upper ridge building in here across the southwest, so down at the surface today, mostly sunny skies in the valley. Highs this afternoon get up into the mid-80s. Tonight, clear skies. It's a dry air mass. Lows down in the 50s. And then tomorrow, mostly sunny in the morning. We'll see an increase in clouds by the afternoon as broader southwesterly flow takes shape. We've got a developing trough out over the eastern Pacific, and that'll affect some parts of the western states, especially the Pacific Northwest, through the rest of the week. Around here, it'll just mean some high clouds. But despite that, it will be warmer. Highs tomorrow getting up to near 90 degrees, and that'll be the warmest temperature we've had since mid to late October. Then on Tuesday night, cloudy skies. It'll be mild, lows near 60. Wednesday, we'll get up into the mid-80s, and we'll still have a fair bit of clouds around. In fact, we'll call the day mostly cloudy. Thursday, we continue to see Pacific shortwaves passing well to the north of Arizona, but that'll keep the ridge flattened out. Highs will back off a little bit. We'll be in the low and mid-80s. Same thing for Friday, low 80s likely with mostly sunny skies. And then over the weekend, more of the same. Highs likely in the low 80s. The GFS indicates that this trough might be a little bit deeper as it passes north of us. But either way, breezy conditions in the afternoons and high temperatures in the low 80s with mostly sunny skies. Let's go out to a week from today. This is Monday, the 1st of April. Broad ridging, generally dry west to northwesterly flow. High temperatures should still be in the low 80s. Then going out 10 days to the end of the period. This is Wednesday, the 3rd of April. Weak shortwave passing through the interior west. Heights come down ever so slightly. High temperatures upper 70s and low 80s. Pretty much every day we're going to see highs in excess of the 80-degree mark, though. Speaking of those temperatures, let's check it out coming off the GFS ensemble. And how about that for consistency? Highs low to mid-80s every day. Lows mainly in the 50s to about 60, and that's rather seasonal. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Plus, your comments, questions, and suggestions are always encouraged as well. Be safe out there. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. And you guys have yourselves a great Monday.